Without passport. You don't work at time. I'm tired of working.
Yeah, I bet you don't come to back.
As the day, without passport.
As the day.
They give you the free SIM with free 10 gigabytes. This luggage free.
Do I know? Why do you like landscape video? Okay.
هيدا الشوبينج.
So can you see that the chair is purple? Can you see? Can you see? Everywhere. Okay, not everywhere is like this. But I want us to stay together. I'm tired of eating. I'm tired of eating food. I thought it's for eating, that's not the way, right?
This way. Come this side. Come this side. Is this side? Hello. Just look at number. Our room number is 7020.
7020.
So go.
7020.
Go straight.
3121.
You go left. You take go like this. Go like this.
Right.
Here.
Are you ready? Okay, what's the caption?
Hello, good afternoon.
Do you know your name?
Yes, of course. So you take your right. You know I'm videoing you. This game. Take this way. Go this way. 7020. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, with my restaurant. Oh, you still have to open it.
So go in. I think you say my bag don't first me reach here. So look at our room.
It's beautiful. I like the fact that everything here is purple. Even your bag is purple. Wow. Can you go with this stuff?
No, you will give out for them. So that's it. Yeah. So snack.
This idea should pop in your head. Have you just made it?
I don't know.
Does it work?
Jennifer, no go press it, you know. Is there water inside?
Okay, can you make it out? Thank you, sir. Make it out.
Okay,
Okay, the husband is here.
My auntie's husband. I'm not taking me. I can't use this alcohol.
You can't use the water. My own is working now.
Of course.
You come.
I'm not.
Wait, scale.
Wow.
That one.
For weight. You want to check your weight.
So say we are coming out by 3. So
Is it not 4? I think they said 4.
I have put on 4 because
Yeah. Thank you for doing it. I love you. Hey, they have a Nigerian kind of charging port. I don't mean it's America. America is that sharp thing that looks straight. But it's really cold.
have you seen? Come and see this view. Come and see this view. I saw children swimming.
Oh, wow. I love the view. Wow. Amazing. My view. I wonder where my room is. Can you see? Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How many people are coming to the
Everybody except me for the girls.
Except Umu, okay.
Not from the boys.
From the men. She's with Bisola.
Where's the battery?
There. I've seen it.
Wow, this is amazing. What's this one?
I don't know. I
Is
think
it where you
for
want to live? Is it from
I think it's for Wiwi or I don't
I think
know.
it's from Lena. Oh, see that one. This is
Madam Modesta, gonna be here scatter ever. So I have condition. I can use it for my hair, right? Yeah, that is scatter.
I was trying to know what
Yeah,
it is.
did my pad.
check if okay, you can't even take it out. Check if it's leaving condition.
Okay.
When it's finishes, then you just fill it in.
It's khalidia. No, there is Russian and the
Condition.
You just carry your container and pack everything you want to pack.
This one is condition, not soap.
There is soap. Read it now. Hair and body wash.
This one is
The
conditioner.
Only conditioner, not lotion.
You know what I'm saying? Is it for pregnancy?
There is part there.
About pregnancy.
Open it and see now. Open it. Open it. Just.
It's pregnancy? Is this how pregnancy stuff?
No.
So what is it?
No. Yeah, different.
This one is 5. This one looks like 5. Then cotton board.
Open other ones.
Hope I can open them.
Open them now. Buy one.
When you want to swim, you can use it.
I
came with
is it
one. I came with one.
You know, swim. This one.
I think I want
For
to
batting, it's for
Check
batting.
for another one if there's another shortcut.
The track cap is going to be one. Just
It's going to be one. What's this one for?
I don't even know.
Jesus, your face looks so big. Check it out.
I saw it.
Your face looks so big.
The object in the mirror is closer than you.
This is the toothbrush and
The pad.
this is for picking pimple. Oh, my face is so big. I'm breaking out.
So let's go. Me too. I need skincare this day. Now money.
If you want spa this thing go and check. I say we shop the one you can afford.
Let me use it. You can cut it. Let me use it. But I think I prefer doing like this.
Yeah, I prefer that one.
And mine is really so good. But here is like mine. I wonder how you understand this one.
Go. And now it's 73-1. That's what is on your card.
This is their Arabic number.
Yes, now there are those Arabic people now. You're not an Arabian, so unless you're going to study Arabian. Do you know that we have private access here? Private access. We just passed private access. Like road, like this one now, private access. Go.
I think you mean like security camera.
For private people, not for everyone. You go that way. Look for 7020. That is it. Use a card. Use the card. Just use the card. So you cannot open it.
No.
You're using bear when you have card.
Stop vlogging. She's still wearing anything.